Have you ever dropped a piece of toast? And of course it lands butter side down. Is it just bad luck? A cosmic conspiracy against breakfast? Or is there real science behind this everyday disaster? Let's dive into the sticky truth. Welcome to Everyday Science Explains, where we uncover the science behind ordinary things you've always wondered about. Today we're solving the age-old mystery. Why does toast almost always land butter side down? Think about it. You're rushing in the morning, grab your toast, it slips, and splat. Butter side down. Some people blame gravity, clumsiness, or even Murphy's Law. You know, anything that can go wrong will go wrong. But guess what? It's not just bad luck, it's physics at work. And once you know the science, your toast mishaps will make a lot more sense. All right, here's what's really happening. First, when your toast slips off a table, it starts to rotate, like a slow, clumsy gymnast. Key fact. Number 1. Most tables are about waist high, roughly 2 to 3 feet off the ground. That means the toast has just enough time to rotate halfway before it hits the floor. Key fact number 2. Toast naturally falls butter side up because that's the side facing upward when you drop it. But because of the rotation, it flips, and boom, butter side down. Key fact number 3. Rotation speed matters. Toast rotates at a slow, predictable rate, about 1/2 turn during a typical fall. If tables were higher, your toast might actually complete a full flip and land butter side up. Key fact number 4. And yes, butter makes a difference. The buttered side is slightly heavier, making it a bit more likely to stay facing downward once rotation starts. But the real villain is the height and the rotation timing, not the butter. A bit of scientific history. In 1995, physicist Robert Matthews actually won an Ig Nobel Prize, a parody Nobel Prize, for mathematically proving that toast tends to land butter side down. Yes, science takes your toast tragedies seriously. Here's a simple experiment you can try at home. Take a slice of toast, buttered or not. Hold it horizontally off the edge of a standard table and let it slip. Notice how it almost always rotates and lands butter side down? Now try the same thing from a much higher place, like standing on a chair, carefully. From a higher drop, it's more likely to flip all the way over, landing butter side up. It's all about how much time gravity gives the toast to spin. Understanding the physics of falling toast isn't just breakfast trivia. It teaches us about rotation dynamics, gravity, and even real-world engineering problems. Scientists apply similar physics when studying satellites, drones, and even falling debris from space. Plus, it's a reminder that even our clumsiest moments are ruled by the laws of physics. So next time your toast lands butter side down, don't curse your luck. Thank gravity, rotational inertia, and the exact height of your kitchen counter. Science explains even the messiest parts of life. And somehow that makes it a little less frustrating. If you enjoyed learning about the tragic fate of falling toast, give this video a like and subscribe to Everyday Science Explains. Got a burning everyday science question? Drop it in the comments. Maybe it'll be our next video.